Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here with Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to go over the Signature Kitchen Suite 36-inch hood right here. So this is an easy touch hood, and like I tell you by easy touch, the light kind of goes on and off right here, but it also has a timed on and off, so you could set the timer on this. The cool part is though, we do have the 5 different settings right here. So, you know, we keep going up and things like that, really for the highest CFM we need. So we can kind of go down. I'll just go down so you guys can hear my voice a little bit better. But, you know, look at the great lighting on here. You know, you can really see, you know, your food and kind of makes the whole thing come to life. The CFM is something you really need, you know, to kind of get all the vapor and get all the air on it. These are on nice little tracks, so they're spring loaded. See how they pop out like this on these tracks? And these are dishwasher safe. So run them on a great setting or your heaviest setting. And really we want to do is we want to turn this on 5 to 10 minutes before cooking. I always say this is the first thing I do when I'm cooking. I turn this on, it's like opening the door, creating a draft, because we want to see these grates dirty, not your backsplash or your range dirty, because that vapor, all that oil, whatever you're pan frying, whatever you're cooking, is really going to rise up and live here is kind of really where we want it to be, okay? So if you see that, if I see a dirty grate, I'm usually happy because I know that they're using it properly. So great stainless steel chimney hood here. And what I want to talk about though is the sizing of this. So we have a 36-inch range underneath it. So you're gonna, you know, obviously you're gonna have a 36-inch range, 36-inch hood over top of it. Same thing with a 30, same thing with a 48. You need the same dimension of hood for range to cover all that capture air, because if we had a 30-inch hood under here, 36-inch, that rest of that air, like boiling pasta and things like that, that vapor would come, you know, by the wayside and really go out. So you need the proper fan, the proper CFM, and you know that's something our guys in the shop and our service team and our sales team can help you out with. So super nice and easy. It's a must in the kitchen. After I have one, you know, you never smell like bacon again. So it's amazing. Hope you enjoy it. It's a super easy one to keep clean. Just throw these in the dishwasher. Thank you so much.